Our customers were complaining. They wanted a project sealer that was actually waterproof, one that didn't leave brush strokes or bubbles. So we decided to make one. There were many failures. I spent many nights asking myself if we could actually pull this off. Then we had a breakthrough. We invented a formula that dried clear and fast. There were no bubbles and no brush strokes. It was completely waterproof, yet safe and water-based. We did it. I thought that was it, but I was wrong. Our invention also worked as a glue. Leather, denim, cotton, silk, no problem. It could bend and flex. It could decoupage. It could photo transfer. You can even add color to it and use it as a waterproof paint. We created an all-purpose, water-based sealer, glue, decoupage medium, and project finish. But we struggled with the name. What do you call something that does all of that? So we turned to you for help. We got thousands of ideas, but when we saw what Sandy Singer suggested, we knew it was the one. Her name described the product. It was fun to say, and each word started with the letter M, which was an added bonus. We officially decided on Maker's Magic, because it does just that. It allows makers to make magic. But the work still remained. Crafters were lining up to buy it. I would make some and it would sell out. Our back-in-stock list was growing faster than we could produce it. So instead of waiting, we got our hands dirty. I would run the company by day and mix magic by night. I thought it would burn us out. I thought I'd want to quit. I thought I'd be ready to throw in the towel after a week. But the opposite happened. It fired us up. Our mission at Scorch Marker is to make crafting easier. What kind of company would we be if we quit? What kind of company would we be if we just sat around and waited? What kind of company would we be if we didn't do our best? So we worked harder, and it fired us up even more. We let you into the process. We showed you how it worked. We proved that we were on it. And you stuck by our side. You patiently waited for the next batch, and we pulled it off. Maker's Magic is just getting started. So thank you for the love. Thank you for the support, and thank you for allowing us to serve you.